great morning to everyone present here. Valley Fest, Valedictory Festival, a festival of thanksgiving, a function of wishing our senior Scorpions to fare well in the new Catrosphere. In this memorable moment, it will be appropriate to start this program invoking the words of our Creator. Here coming for one final time for the invocation is Scorpion Muhammad.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن ملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم صدق الله العظيم.
Thank you, Scorpion Muhammad. Scorpion Muhammad has been doing invocation for many events in the college. It will be amazing to note that a judge did not give him any prize for the Azan competition, but invites him for the invocation every time. Now it's a pleasure to have with us many wonderful people today. Welcoming is a part of our tradition, and we are of no exception. To make the formal welcome address, may I please call upon Mr. Scorpion of the Year, Scorpion Ashik Aliyar from the first year.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Goodbyes are always hard, but it's hardest for the person leaving. It is very sad to say goodbye to our seniors. Today I have mixed feelings of delight and sorrow. Delighted because to see my seniors happy after seemingly endless homework, quizzes, long tests and stress. I know we all must be recalling every single moment spent together, moments of happiness, joy and almost everything. Everything they taught us cannot be expressed in words, but can be felt now and in future. I remember thinking that it would be hard to say goodbye. Yes, I was right. It is hard. The first day when I met my seniors, they were very friendly to us. As day passed, we started to glue in a way. Even Fevicol started getting jealous of us. I realized that it was just to increase our confidence level and decrease the communication gap between us. And I know that is the best example to demonstrate the well-wishers to us. Although we are separated by time, distance and age, nothing can change the important roles that you all have played in our lives. They passed us like towns on highways, but sometimes a moment stuns as it happens. And we all know that this is the time we say goodbye to our seniors. It always takes immense pleasure in welcoming the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. I would like to welcome our principal, our honorable principal, Dr. Abdul Malik sir. And I would also like to welcome our HOD sir and the faculty members of our department who have brought revolutionary ideas in our minds and commitment and hard work they have put to bring us to this level. I would also like to welcome the Deputy Warden of our college. I would also like to welcome the HODs of other departments and the faculty members of other departments. And finally, I would like to welcome my beloved seniors and my fellow Scorpions.
the wonderful welcome. This year has been special. This year is the year we celebrated the Diamond Jubilee. Scorpions decided to make it special by winning as much as laurels in the intercollegiate arena. Did they do that? Let me welcome our department secretary and our college student union chairman, Scorpion Sharif, to read out that annual report of our department.
Respected principal, respected deputy warden, HODs of other department, dignitaries on the stage and off the stage, and my dear Scorpions, Assalamu alaikum. I have great pride in reading the annual report of our department. 2013-14 is the year new college celebrated its Diamond Jubilee. Scorpions decided to join the celebration by winning various prizes at intercollegiate levels and thereby adding laurels to this prestigious institution. Freshers Day. It has been the practice of Scorpions to welcome the first year to the Scorpion family every year. This healthy practice was designed by our senior Scorpions to make the fresh Scorpions at ACE and also put an end to ragging. This year also on the every first day of their college, the junior Scorpions were welcomed by the senior Scorpions with sweet syllabus, copy financial accounts book. Teachers Day. As a token of gratitude to our teachers, Scorpions celebrated Teachers Day on 5th September in the department. The head of the department, Professor A.S. Akmal sir, cut a cake, symbol the celebration in the presence of faculties of the department and Scorpions. Academics. The following Scorpions came first in the respective classes up to the results announced in January 2014. Scorpion Amir Hussain, that becomes yes. Second Scorpion Shakir, second becomes yes. Third Scorpion Sufyan, first becomes yes. The following Scorpions won the proficiency prizes at the college level for English in various languages. Second year, French, Muzammil Hussain B, second prize. English, Munir Basa, third prize. First year, Arabic, Mohammad Sufyan MA, first prize. Mohammad Salman, second prize. French, Mohammad Ashik Aliyar, third prize. Hindi, Murtaza, second prize. English, Mohammad Mehraj Sharif, third place. Ramzan. Bayan competition in English and Tamil were conducted separately for first and second year Scorpions by the Dinyat wing of Scorpions. The following Scorpions are the winners. English, first year, first place, Scorpion Mohammad Ashik Aliyar. Second place, Scorpion Ishrat Ahmad. Second year, first place, Scorpion Zakir Hussain. Second place, Scorpion Ashraf. Tamil, first year, first place, Scorpion Miran. Second year, first place, Scorpion Bilal Ahmad. Second place, Scorpion Javed Ahmad. Intercollegiate competitions. Scorpions had an outstanding success this year, winning as many as for intercollegiate championships. We won the overall champions in at Loyola College, Hindustan College, St. Joseph College and Hassan Memorial College. It all started on 6th September 2013, a day after Teachers' Day. We won the overall trophy in inter-college culturals organized by St. Joseph College of Arts and Science. Scorpions also won the first prize in Ads Up and Fashion Show, and Scorpion Ikramur Rashid won the third prize in Jam. Things were again repeated on 20th September 2013. This time on Hindustan College of Arts and Science, Kelambakam, again winning the overall trophy for the second successive years. Two overalls in 1 month. Scorpions were at top. Our fashion show team had also won the first prize there. Loyola College is supposed to be the Makkah of culturals. Our aim was to win an overall trophy there. Our departments by making us to win the overall trophy in Eminence 13. Inter-college cultures organized by the Department of Commerce, Loyola College, Chennai. Our quiz team won the second prize. Scorpion Saduddin came second in stress interview. The fourth overall trophy we won was in Hassan Memorial College of Arts and Science, Pallikarne, on 9th January 2014. Scorpion Razik Musa and Scorpion Ikramur Rashid won the first prize in word words. Scorpion Mansoor and Scorpion Muhammad won second prize in face painting. Carpen Fakhruddin won second prize in logo designing. Carpen Razik Musa came third in Mr. Corporate. Apart from the above, Carpens also participated in competitions conducted by various other colleges and won the following prizes. Loyola College, Zenith, Department of BBA. In Zenith 13, an intercollegiate cultural event organized by Department of BBA. Loyola College, Carpen Razik Musa won the first prize in shipwreck. Ethraj College, Ethics 13, Department of Corporate. Our Carpen Fashion Show team won the third prize in the Corporate Walk in Ethics 13. An inter-college culturals conducted by Department of Corporate Secretary, Ethraj College. Kumara Rani Meena Mutaya College, Adayar. Carpens participated in following events conducted by KRMMC College and won prizes in the following events. Logo carving, Carpen Subani and Carpen Fakhruddin won first prize. Connections, Carpen Rasik Musa and Carpen Ikram Rashid won second prize. Jaya College of Arts and Science, Nimlicheri. Carpen participated in competitions conducted by Jaya College and won prizes in the following events. Blood Brothers, Carpen Ikram Rashid and Carpen Rasik Musa won first place. College, Carpen Abdur Razik, Carpen Azaruddin and Carpen Fakhruddin won second place. Inter-college competitions. Carpen continued their star performance within the campus by winning both the overall titles in competitions conducted within the departments. Carpen were the overall champions in the inter-department talent hunt show. New Diamond Fest 13, conducted as a part of the Diamond Jubilee celebrations. Carpen also won the overall championship in the inter-department sports meet as part of the annual sports. Carpen S. Mohsin of First Becomes Yes won the first prize in Hindi essay writing in the annual competition conducted by Dean of Moral Institution. The new Diamond Fest 13. In spite of Carpens forming the bulk of the organizing committee which worked hard for days to make New Diamond Fest a success, we won the overall championships. We won prizes in the following events. Talent show, first prize. Jam, first prize. Photography, second prize. Mimicry, second prize. Paper presentation, second prize. Debate, third prize. Azan, third prize. Corporate walk, third prize. Quiz, third prize. English essay writing, third prize. Sudoku, third prize. New Focus 13. As a part of New College Diamond Jubilee celebration, a mega science exhibition titled New Focus 13 was conducted in which Carpens participated. Our room was selected for the formal inauguration of the New Focus 13. Diamond Jubilee celebration. The Carpen participation in large numbers in Diamond inauguration program conducted in University of Madras. Century Building, which was inaugurated by His Excellency the Vice President of India, Dr. Hamid Ansari, Alumni Carpen, Sri G.K. Vasan, Union Minister for Shipping also graced on the occasion. Seminars. A one-day UGC autonomous grand seminar on employability skills for corporate secretary students was organized on 25th February 2014 at Computer Hall. A seminar on opportunities in logistics was conducted on 10th February 2014. A seminar on higher studies in MCA was organized in collaboration with the Miyasi Institute of Information Technology. Sports, Carpen Fahad of second becomes yes in the jewel in the crown of the department. He has brought many laurels in tennis. He is the IIT tournament winner and also won the CMS trophies in tennis. Currently having an All India ranking of 40 in men's singles. He was the doubles winners in the Second-Rabat All India 50 km men's tennis championship. He is runner-up in the singles event. Carpens participated in various sports events conducted in our college and made our department proud by winning the overall sports championship. Our Carpen volleyball team won the inter-department volleyball tournament this year also, making it 8th consecutive year we are winning the title. Carpens were the winners and runners in the shuttle badminton tournament. Carpen Mohammad Asif of second becomes yes was the winner, while Carpen Parvesh Basha of first becomes yes was the runner. The following Carpens won the prizes in their respective events. Powerlifting, Carpen Naif Muhammad Idris, second place, and Carpen Nauful, third place. Powerlifting, Carpen Bashar Muhammad, second place, Carpen Syed Nabil, third place. 200-meter race, Carpen Zaid Rashid, third place, Carpen Muzammil, third place. 4 in 200 meters race, Carpen Nauful, Tabriz, Carpen Imran Basha was second place. Shot put, Carpen Nauful, third place. Discus throw, Carpen Nauful, third place. Carom, Carpen Umar Farooq, Second prize, tennis, Scorpion Mustaqim. Third prize, Scorpion cricket match. It has been a practice for the Scorpions to organize a cricket match every year among themselves. Thanks to our physical director, Professor Sahul Amit, this year the tournament was organized on 12th October 2013. It was played between 4 teams. The first year Scorpions, second year Scorpions, third year Scorpions, and evening Scorpions. The final match was played between third year Scorpions and evening Scorpions. Professor S.A. Sheikh Mohammed of English department tossed the coin for the final. Evening Scorpions won the Scorpions trophy. The trophy and mementos were presented by our HOD Professor K.S. Mohammed Akmal sir. Physical Director Professor F. Sahul Amit sir, Dr. V. Kamal Nazar, Secretary of New College Staff Association, and Professor S.K. Ahmad Jalaluddin, New College Staff Cricket Team Captain. Evening College Scorpions by organizing a cricket trophy in second semester and invited us to play. Scorpions Day. Scorpions Day was celebrated on 11th March 2014 Haas Auditorium. Various talents which fetched prizes and different inter-college competitions were displayed on the stage. Inter and intra-department competitions were conducted. Scorpions social responsibility. Every human in this world is dependent on the others to live here. The dependence may be direct and indirect. The best virtues of human life helping others. Today in this world, the aspect of social responsibility is diminishing. This has promoted the authorities to make compulsory the corporate social responsibility program for companies. CSR, corporate social responsibility, is the world incorporate circle today. Taking a cue, Scorpions also have initiated a program titled Scorpion Social Responsibility to sensitive human minds to need of the underprivileged. Second year Scorpions are given the task of undergoing this program. Apart from making Scorpions social responsible, these programs bring out the organizing skills and teamwork of the Scorpions. In fact, these programs act as a moral boosters for the second year Scorpions for taking more responsibility in this third year. This year, our Scorpion social responsibility activities were centered on 2 areas, schools and health-related awareness. A group of Scorpions visited Dr. Gurusamy Mudaliar TTV Higher Secondary School at Saukarpet on 14th February 2014 and conducted various competitions on the theme environment awareness among the school students. Competitions like quiz, debate, and essay writing were conducted and prizes were distributed. Another group of Scorpions visited Government Muslim Higher Secondary School at Pattur, Mangadu, Kanchipuram district on 13th February 2014, cleaned the school, painted it, and planted 3 saplings. Another group of students visited the government primary school at Ondikuppam in Tiruvallur district on 11th and 12th February 2014 and cleaned the entire school campus and painted it. Various sports competitions for the school children were conducted and prizes given. A group of Scorpions visited the Center of Children with Special Needs, Mylapore, on 18th February 2014 and organized various competitions for them and prizes were distributed to all. It was a different experience for the Scorpions as they saw the other side of the life. The Scorpions had the noon meals with the children with special needs. Another group of Scorpions joined with the police to distribute pamphlets on 23rd February 2014 regarding road safety awareness, which was acknowledged by the police department. A group of Scorpions created investors awareness among the public and by distributing pamphlets to the morning walkers in the beach on 20th February 2014. Similar awareness on anti-smoking and anti-drinking was organized by Scorpions on 19th February 2014 and 24th February respectively. Campus placements. 31 final year Scorpions have been so far selected by leading companies in the campus placement held in our college up to March 31, 2014.
Oh, what a lengthy report it was. Activities, achievements, social responsibilities. That's what it makes to be a Scorpion. Now to some pleasantries. On behalf of the Scorpion, let's honor our dignitaries with a shawl. May I request our head of department to shawl the respected principal. of our Corpians to honor professors from various departments who are retiring this year. These professors had spent decades on service in this institution in the noble cause of education. Gentleman Paul Muslim, he is the secretary of a mosque, a regular in social networking sites. His postings always induces positive thinking and enhances spirituality. Associate professor in chemistry and academic council member of the University of Madras. He is none other than the Professor Shahul Hamid. I request head of department to shawl him. And I request principal to present him a memento. Thank you, sir. Urdu is a sweet language. It is a mother tongue to many of us. Professor in Urdu and a fine gentleman to the core, Professor Muzaffaruddin has a special bonding with Corpians. Corpians feel honored to honor you, sir. I request head of department to shawl him. And I request our principal to present him a memento. Thank you, sir. Corpians have been highly successful because of the strong leadership of our third-year Corpians provided. They took the responsibility to see that the legacy set by their seniors are carried through successfully. Some of our Corpians gave all their might in carrying our flag high. We, the junior, feels it as our duty to recognize some of these Corpians, without whose untiring efforts all these achievements could not have been possible. Normally, it was the practice to give the best outgoing Corpian award. But this year, we could not stop with one award. We had many Corpians coming out of the shell and participating and bringing laurels to Corpians. Now, the best outgoing Corpian award, the most prestigious award. We had lots of contenders, Corpian Sharif, Corpian Amir, Corpian Ikram, and the likes. But as we zeroed in two Corpians, by their sheer involvement, gave us lots of positive headache to select one. Both were working for the department, both gave their time and effort, both won prizes at intercollegiate levels, both will be in the forefront of organizing any events, but one of them sacrificed his cultural secretary position to his friend, passed ICWA foundation, and by the slightest of margin, guys, let's put our hand together as Corpian Rasik Musa is the best outgoing Corpian for the year 2013-14. I request the principal to give the award. Now the most valuable Corpian award. This Corpian gave Rasik Musa the tough fight for the best outgoing Corpian award. From Saudi and not familiar with the language and cultural, here but still involved in the activities of the department. He was one of the accepted face by all Corpians. He was in the forefront of bringing 2 editions of Corpian Digest. The most valuable Corpian for the year goes to Corpian Naif Muhammad Idris. I request the principal to give away the award. Thank you, sir. Now the next award is for Corpian Leadership Award. Unassuming, bold, and the Corpian to lead from the front. This Corpian was one of the most trusted Corpian. The interest of the department and the name of the college is foremost for him. With a set down and trailing in the next, and the 7-year title slipping away, he entered the field, changed everything in minutes to write one of the best victories ever, thereby keeping the volleyball title for the 8 successive year and helped to win the overall championship. The best Scorpion Leader Award goes to our Department Secretary and College Student Union Chairman, Scorpion Muhammad Sharif. I request the Principal to give away the award. The next award is for talented Scorpion Culturals. Cultural is one area in which one can shine in the intercollegiate area and bring name and fame to our college. Actor Vivek commented in one college culturals that new college has lots of talent. If without formal training and team, they can compete like this, what will happen if they are formally coached? Here is a Scorpion who gave everything to culturals, won several prizes in almost all colleges in the city. Scorpion Nawaz is our talented Scorpion culturals. I request Deputy Warden to give away the award. Thank you, sir. Muhammad?
Professor in charge, Students Affairs.
Now the next award is for talented Scorpion sports. Another area of achievement for the Scorpion is the sports. We are able to win the overall championship this year and also win the volleyball title because of his leadership. He was our department volleyball captain and college team player. Talented Scorpion Award sports goes to Scorpion Shamin. And the award, I request Professor in charge of Student Affairs to give away the award. The Scorpion Digest release.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Finally, the time has come. MashaAllah, we have great privilege in releasing the 6th edition of the Scorpion Digest. Till January, we were not sure about the release of this magazine. Last 15 days, we were associated with the preparation of the magazine. This magazine is unique as it is, as it contains only the activities of the Scorpions and only one small article. The cover of this magazine contains a nano code. Like if you scan this code through your mobile, you will get all the details of the magazine. While thanking everyone associated with the preparation of the Scorpion magazine, I request our principal to release the 6th edition of the Scorpion Digest. Second release report. I thank all the Corpians, and I'm also sorry for actually we got more than 100 articles, but due to some reason we were not able to put your articles. I thank all the Corpians for sending those articles, and I'm also sorry. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Corpian Naif. Dear third year Corpians, I don't know how to say goodbye. I don't know a painless way to do it. I don't know the words to capture hearts so full and so intense. Dear brothers, don't be dismayed by goodbyes. A farewell is necessary before we can meet again. And meeting again after moments of lifetime is certain for those who are friends. And this farewell will only be a small outward confirmation of what has been accomplished by you from day one to today. I now invite Corpian Mir Anjum Abbas of second year to make the formal toast to the third year, sorry.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. We have gathered today to wish our seniors and to bid farewell to them. Our seniors are the role model for our department. They all are well disciplined and well behaved with juniors. We wholeheartedly appreciate our seniors as they have not indulged in ragging activities, and we enjoy a good relationship with them. Inshallah, we all pray for our seniors that they should get good jobs in well-established profit-making companies. When they leave the portals of our college, their life should be full of pity, joy, and happiness. Our seniors are amenable to the juniors, and they have helped immensely in solving our problems. They gave patronage to all academic and extracurricular activities and brought laurels to the department. Their behavior and approach toward us has instilled a sense of balancingness in us towards the department. So let B juniors emulate their behavior and work hard to bring more laurels to the department. Today is a great day and a great quiz to our seniors. Character cannot be developed in ease and quiet. Only through experience of trial and suffering can be the soul of strength, ambition inspired, and success achieved. On behalf of second year inmates, I wish all my seniors a very bright future in their prospective career. Last but not the least, good luck, Corpian. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Corpian Anjum Abbas. On behalf of first year, I invite Corpian Sufyan to make the toast.
Assalamu alaikum. Distinguished chief guest, our beloved principal, faculty members, senior Corpians, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all. It gives me immense pleasure to give toast to our senior Corpians who are our brothers. When we came to the college fearing ragging, you proved us wrong by giving us sweets, syllabus copy, and financial accounts book and welcoming us. We could still remember what you said to us. We are the Corpians, we are the family. Since then you have been guiding us and we are under the watchful hands of you. Today, because of this system, you may be leaving us, but we will always be guiding by your actions. We assure you and we will keep up your legacy. May Allah bless you and help you throughout. Thank you. Proud to be a Corpian.
Now I request our head of department to shawl Mr. Professor Ahmed Maraika, Professor in charge of Student Affairs. And I also request to honor the shawl to Dr. V. Kamal Nasir, Secretary, New College Staff Association. Now reply to the toast. This world is a scene of constant leave taking and the hands that grasp in cordial greetings today or long to unite forever. I remember the first time I saw him welcoming us with sweets, telling us the legacy of Corpians. I call upon Corpian Rasik Musa to reply to the toast.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Before I start off with anything, I would like to thank all the dignitaries for their presence. We are extremely happy for your presence. Thank you so much, all the professors on the dais and off the dais. Let me take some breath back. I am severely stunned today. I couldn't express what I intended to. Allah has once again proved me wrong in my life. The life of being a Scorpion is not something I chose of. It is not of my choice. It was from Allah, and I sincerely thank one person at this stage, Professor Kamal Nasser sir, without whom I would haven't been here, and nothing would have been possible right now. Thank you so much for your immense support, sir. Without that, I would have done this. First of all, getting into Scorpion's life was something different. When I got into this classroom, I felt something I'm going to achieve after 3 years. It was something strange to me, but I was somewhere confident. All the friends were new to me. I was put up in a co-ed school right from LKG. When I entered the class, I could find no girl inside the class. I was very upset actually. And I thought, and I thought these 3 years are going to be really horrible. And my friends made me wrong. Again, they proved me wrong there. Thank you so much, friends. After going through a rough patch of first semester, I had to get accustomed to the FTA seminar conductor. I should thank my department, especially my HOD, who supported all of us, and for the first time they introduced Best Incoming Scorpion Award, in which we 5 were the contenders, final contenders. And they, right from the first year, they found the interest in me for the culturals, and they sent me for lots of cultural activities. Right from the FDA seminar, they gave me lots of chances and gave me a big exposure right from there. During the second year, I wasn't active so much. It was the fourth semester. Ansar sir, who supported me so much, he brought me to host the farewell, which was a turning point in my Scorpion life. From that moment, I came to know that I'm going to do something great. And I think I have satisfied his expectation, what he had on me. And during the third year, it was full of culturals. We were very much got bored actually going to culturals and winning the overall trophies. When we enter into any culturals, we'll first look at the overall trophy over there. We will say, is it worth keeping in our department? And then we will go into the contest. We had such good team. I must thank my friends sincerely, who were very helpful and always supported me, and we were supporting each other and growing together. And getting into the teachers of me, first day I entered the class, first period was our HOD's class. He came and took BRS, if I'm not wrong, he took BRS, I still remember that. And I was attending his classes, and to notice, if we go and ask for any permission, he will say only one sentence: whatever, gentlemen, for the sake of the department you're doing, we will support you. This is the only sentence. You can never find a liberal and so participative HOD ever. Thank you so much for your participants. And to the next professor, who is meant for his English vocabulary, our SH sir. Not joking, friends. Not joking, friends. This is my sincere advice to the young Scorpions. If you are noting all those words he is using in the class and you are referring the dictionary, you will become a king in English. This is my sincere advice. Please do it. He used to support us in many ways. If you go and ask him for studies, he will give lots of activity, lots of ideas over there. And one day he suddenly called me and asked me, why can't you do IAS? If you can do all these things, you can just give a try and do something for this community. And from that day, I had got those ideas in my heart. Thank you so much for inculcating those ideas, sir. And to the very next, our favorite SAR sir. Please. I don't know much about Urdu, but I know only one sentence because of him. क्या कर रहे तो? We had great time with him, and he is such a legible and participative professor. Thank you so much for all those things, sir. And we had no big time with our Abid Basha, sir. And he was also so friendly, and whenever you go and stand near him, he will have his hand on our shoulders and will talk. Such a friendly teacher he is. And I will take some time to explain about this professor. Obviously, our Professor M.A. sir. Even he will do all those works with us, and at last he will go and stand behind as if he is doing right now. So I invite him inside the class, sir. First year when I was sitting in the class, one professor suddenly rocked into the room, and he came and took the attendance, and he listed all those absentees, and he was very strict, and he was talking so rude, and I really got struck over there. And after he gave some words over there, I realized my school day sir of mine, because of whom I am standing here. I could see in him that sir. He helped me. He was very strict with me for the first year. While working for the FDI, once I went home late doing after all those works. Yesterday morning I came and I thought that he will be appreciating that I am the first year guy and I am working so hard. He scolded me actually. He said, why you went home and you didn't message me reaching home. So after that, second year he had immense trust on me, I think so. Yes, I am sure of that. He had immense trust on me, and he gave me lots of responsibilities. I think I have justified at least a little of that. and it's because of him, all our Carpians are very active, and without him, we are nothing, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the love and support you gave me, and you will be remembered in our heart for long days. And to the last, my friends over here, this might be the last few words in college before you. And we may meet, or by Allah's will, we will be together. Without you, I could have been nothing because of the support. After getting this award, when I went there, my friends were more happy than me. And I literally had tears seeing them. And then when I came over here, my friend Amir Hussain tapped on my back and said, congrats. And I should surely notice the work of Naif Muhammad Idrisi Papa. He is such a lovely friend. And he is such a lovely friend, and he is such a great leader and has got various qualities in him. Many of my friends haven't spent much time with him, and I am so lucky that I had a friend like him. And to notice my very dear friend Sharif, who took the responsibility from third year, and he was a great leader for us. He did very good things for us, and we must thank him also here. And my friends, if I'm noticing all your names, I would miss any. That's why I'm afraid, so I'm not going to do that. And I thank all my friends for that. And I dedicate this Mr. Carpian, best outgoing Carpian, to my parents. Because of their support and help, I'm doing this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That was a wonderful, emotional speech by Rasik Musa. I just want to say to him, some people come into our lives and quickly go. Some stays for a while, leave footprints on our hearts. And we are never the same. You are one among them. Wherever you go in the next catosphere, don't fear that your story will be solitary. Countless Carpians are with you. Thank you. Goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. They simply mean we will miss you until we meet again. Now I invite the Cultural Secretary of our college, Carpian Ikram, to reply to the toast.
Thank you guys for your support. See, I won't make you emotional. I'll make you smile forever. With a quote, challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what make life meaningful. Respected principal, our beloved HOD, HODs of other departments, staff of other departments, and our departments. A happy noon and assalamu alaikum. The day when I got admission in this college, I was fully blank. I don't know anything about this college. My uncles were part of this college and they completed all the degrees here. First day I was just shivering. I don't know what will happen when I enter this college. Then a group of people just came inside, all smiles on the face. I too started smiling. Actually, they were my seniors. They welcomed me with a chocolate and a syllabus copy. I was happy that day that these things will happen in a college. I've heard something wrong about the colleges, that only ragging and other things. But it was fully a false note on me. The actual happening was Freshers' Day. I was so happy that I was a part of this family. They said me that you are a part of this family. You are known as a Scorpion from today on. I was so happy that I too joined in this family. And now I realize that this is actually a family where everyone have their own responsibilities, feel their own responsibilities. And staff, our professors, are like our parents. They guide us in each and every part, each and every professor in each and every way. First, to start with, our beloved HOD. He is such a friendly person. His favorite dialogue. He just says, "Kya ji kya?" His favorite dialogue. He just brings us close. Whenever we are down, he boosts us and gets maximum energy from us. Secondly, the English king, as Rasik Musa said. Zenith. This word I learned from you, sir. Thank you. Zenith of glory. This is the word which he used. You will not believe that he used to call me and says, "See, light is behind you. I can feel it, I can see it." Finally, the man of perfection, the Iron Man, the strong man, the one-man army, our ancestor. You will not believe that when I was in my first year, he sent me to culturals with a third-year person, Suhail Sinalabe. No one will send a third-year and a first-year guy to a culturals, that to a paper presentation. It was my first competition. And in that culturals, if you see, 65 teams participated. It was in Hindustan College. 65 teams participated. It was a state-level meet. And we won the third place. Surprisingly, I was so happy. I thought in my school days that after I go to college, I might miss my culturals and other things. But really, in school days, I was nothing. The day when I entered the college, the day when I went to my first culturals, I realized that this is a big platform where I can expose my talents. So after that, we moved on to second years, and first year students entered. The same tradition we followed. We welcome the second years by giving a token of love and joining them into the Scorpions family. This is our overall performance, and we conducted two FDI seminars. Then we had lot of events which we did. So now tears automatically are running from my eyes when I think that I am gonna leave this Scorpions family. But sir, but professors, I will always be associated with you. I'll always be here as a Scorpion. I live my life as a Scorpion. You can all see me that this is the result which me, F. Muhammad Ikram Rashid, standing here and delivering a great speech before such a huge crowd. This was not possible before. This is all because of the support given by professors, and others. Thank you, friends. And I will not forget my classmates who used to tease me. I will not neglect that. But they actually, they used to boost me all times. Ikram, go speak. Ikram, go speak. I used to hate that. You guys go and speak. Why you send me? But now I realize that because of their support, I'm here standing and talking before such a huge crowd. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Finally, I'd like to just give a small, not an advice, just a small note to all my junior Corpians. See, whatever talent you have, just bring it out, nurture it, show your most of the power. Once the world recognizes you, you will never go down. So just don't be hidden in caves. Just come out, show the world what you have. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, Corpian Ikram. How lucky to have known someone who was so hard to say goodbye. We have never found any good in goodbye. No matter where your life goes, no matter how old you get, and if you ever get the feeling of being young, then always visualize a Corpian life. Now we have some felicitation by staff. Now I would request, can we have some few words from Professor Shahul Hamid, sir?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Respected Principal Sir, my dear brother, the head of the Department of Corporate, my dear brothers of other departments, my dear most beloved Corpians, I am very much thankful to the Almighty for giving this opportunity to stand before you. Actually, I surprised that I was honored by the other department in this college. Even though I belong to chemistry department, you Corpians given me this honor by inviting me and having the mementos. From my heart, I thank one and all for this occasion. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And one more request, I have preoccupation in my department. Kindly permit me to leave the function. Jazakallah khairan.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful words. Now I would like to call Mufassal sir to felicitate the gathering.
Sweet Corpians. Can you able to hear me? Sweet Corpians. Thank you for the gesture you have given to me. You honored me. And I have nothing to say you that you people will flourish in your life. Obey how you have acted in the college, how you have obeyed your professors. Likewise, you have to obey your elders at home also and try to inculcate good characters wherever you go. First, you will be identified as good characters people. You are from new college, and inshallah, you will bring this college's name up, and you will be good Corpians outside also. I wish you all the best. Thank you for the gesture.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call our head of department to give away some few words.
Respected Principal S. Abdul Malik Sahab, respected Deputy Warden Zahid Hussain Sahab, respected Professor in charge Student Affairs Ahmad Marekar Sahab, respected Muzaffaruddin, my learned colleagues from the other department and my own department, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The Valley Fest, what we celebrate by the juniors offering to that idea, it is a sort of reciprocal what the senior has done to the junior. The juniors on the first day, in order to make them comfortable in the college, the senior offers them love and affections by some pleasantries. And they involve them in all extra and curricular activities. Because of this, we create a relation, a bond between junior and senior, so that the relation will flourish and the relation can be maintained even after your things. See, take all multinational company, the mantra of this is the teamwork. Without teamwork, no organization will survive. We have studied in our principles of management, the Henry Fayol 14 principles, which one of the principles says, the speed decops. It amounts to teamwork. The success of the organization, it depends upon the teamwork. So in order to have a team spirit, right from the first year, we encourage the students to have a relation between senior and junior so that this relation can flourish and form a bond. My humble request to my senior students or Carpians who are leaving the college, after 1 year, your junior will come out and face you people. You guide them how you are guided during these 3 years in college life within the boundaries. Even they will come out of the boundaries, you be there to embrace them, to guide them, and to show the right path. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Professor Ahmad Maraikar, Professor in charge Shift 2, to give away a few words.
மதிப்பிற்குரிய முதல்வர் அவர்களே, பேராசிரியர்களே, என் உயிருக்கு உயிரான உறவுக்கு துணையான கார்பியன்ஸ்களே, நியூ காலேஜில் பல துறைகளில் ஃபேர்வெல் பார்ட்டி நடக்குது. ஆனால் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப கிராண்டாக நடக்கிற ஒரு ஃபேர்வெல் பார்ட்டி இதுதான். அதற்கு காரணம் என்னவென்றால் நீங்கள் தான். இந்த புதுக்கல்லூரிக்கு அறிவுபூர்வமாகவும் சரி, அழகுபூர்வமாகவும் பெருமையை சேர்த்து கொண்டிருப்பவர்கள் நீங்கள். குயிஸுக்கு போனாலும் நீங்கள் தான் ப்ரைஸ் வாங்கிட்டு வர்றீங்க, ஃபேஷன் ஷோவுக்கு போனாலும் நீங்கள் தான் ப்ரைஸ் வாங்கிட்டு வர்றீங்க. இந்த தம்பி சொல்கிறது மாதிரி எவ்வளவோ துறைகள் இருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் தான்யா புதுக்கல்லூரி. எந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்லையாவது இது மாதிரியான ஒரு டைஜஸ்ட் வெளியிட்டிருக்கிறாங்களா? இந்த கார்பியன் டைஜஸ்ட்டை பார்த்தா பல பேரால் டைஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கவே முடியாது. நீங்க கார்பியன்ஸ் ரியலி அறிவுல ஷார்பியன்ஸ். அது மட்டுமல்ல, சம்டைம்ஸ் ஸ்கார்பியன்ஸ். இந்த ஒரு பையன் துருதுருன்னு இருப்பான், அங்கே எங்கேயும் அலைஞ்சிட்டு இருப்பான், அவனை காணுமே எங்க அவன் இந்த உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கான். ஷரீஃப், ஏம்பா எப்படி இருந்த நீ இப்படி ஆயிட்ட? அவன் பார்க்கறதுக்கு ஒரு மாதிரியா இருந்தாலும் பணி செய்வதில், மாணவர்களுக்காக உழைப்பதில் மிகப்பெரிய உயர்ந்த மனிதன் அவன். அது மாதிரி இக்ரம் இந்த கல்ச்சுரல் செக்ரட்டரியாக இருக்கிறான். எந்த நிகழ்ச்சியாக இருந்தாலும் வந்து முன்னால் வந்து நின்று செய்வான். அது மாதிரியாக இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு நல்ல பையன் அவன். இது மாதிரி நல்ல மாணவர்கள் எல்லாம் உருவாவதற்கு காரணம் யார் என்றால் இந்த ஆசிரியர்கள் தான். உங்க ஹெச்ஓடி பார்த்தா பசு பாஞ்சா புலி. அதாவது உங்க டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஸர் வேற ஒரு டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டுக்கு போகணும்னு சொன்னபோது இல்லை, அவர் இங்கே தான் இருக்கணும்னு சொல்லி தக்க வைத்து கொண்டவர் அவர். அது மாதிரியானவர் அவர். நம்ம அப்துல் ஹமீது அந்த காலத்துல ரொம்ப அழகா இருந்தாரு. இப்போ உங்களோடு சேர்ந்த பிறகு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கிறாரு. அப்துல் ரஷீத் அது என்ன வார்த்தை? கியாப்பா? அதெல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுங்க, நமக்கு மேலேயே பசங்க பிரியமா இருப்பாங்க. அடுத்து அன்சரை பத்தி சொல்லவே வேண்டியதில்லை. அன்சரை எல்லாம் MAன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம்னா மாஸ்டர் ஆஃப் ஆல் ஆர்ட்ஸ். இந்த அன்சர் இருக்கார அவர் வந்து உங்க மேல ரொம்ப பிரியமா இருக்காருயா. உங்களுக்காக ஜட்ஜஸ் கூடலாம் போய் சண்டை போடுவார். ஏன் எங்க பசங்களுக்கு பிரைஸ் கொடுக்கல? ஒரு நல்ல உழைக்கின்ற உங்கள் மீது அன்பு கொண்ட ஒரு பேராசிரியர் அன்சர் உங்களுக்கு கிடைத்திருக்கிறார். அது மாதிரி ஆபித் பாஷா அவரும் ஒரு மிகச்சிறந்த பேராசிரியர். இந்த டைஜஸ்ட்ல நான் பார்த்தபோது ஹயாத் பாஷான்னு ஒருத்தர் இருந்தாரு. அவரும் உங்க ஆசிரியர் தான் நினைச்சேனா. அவருக்கும் சரியான ஒரு இடம் கொடுத்து அவரை இங்கே மதிப்பு செய்திருக்கிறீர்கள். மிகுந்த மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்கிறது. இந்த அளவுக்கு நீங்கள் என்னையும் இங்கே வரவழைத்து எனக்கும் சிறப்பு செய்தமைக்காக என்னுடைய நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நான் ஏற்கனவே ஒரு முறை சொல்லியிருக்கிறேன், என்னை மிகவும் நேசிக்கிற மாணவர்கள் BA கார்ப்பரேட் என்று ஒரு வகுப்பு முன்பு இருந்தது, இப்போ பிகாம் என்று ஆகியிருக்கிறது. அந்த BA கார்ப்பரேட் மாணவர்கள் என்னை மிகவும் நேசிப்பார்கள். இப்போதும் அவர்கள் என்னோடு தொடர்பில் இருக்கிறார்கள். அது மாதிரி நீங்களும், உங்களோடு எனக்கு தொடர்பு இல்லை என்றாலும் கூட நீங்களும் எப்போதும் என்னுடைய தொடர்பு எல்லைக்குள் இருக்க வேண்டும் என்று உங்களை கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். வாழ்க வளர்க. வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Thank you so much, sir. You made our farewell day more highlighted. Thank you so much for this fun. Now I would request Deputy Warden to facilitate the gathering.
Assalamu alaikum and a very bright good afternoon to everybody. I had a lot of things in my mind, but after hearing my good friend Professor Marekar, I think I forgot everything. But anyway, as a mark of honor to this great Scorpions, I would rather make it very simple. I have a high regard, love, affection on the corporate department students. For the simple reason, as a teacher of economics, we are also given some task of teaching economics for the Department of Corporate. But at the same time, I have few students who are also part of my organization, National Cadet Corps. And right now I can see one of the student, Amzad, standing here, who was with me till last year, but due to his preoccupation in studies, he came up to me, he said, sorry sir, next year onwards I'm not going to continue, but I did not compel him at all. One thing is very clear, that this department, which has already brought out this digest, I think it is a necessary for every department. That's why I was talking to my good friend Professor Fayaz Muhammad, that almost all departments should bring out this kind of activities. I pray Almighty Allah that Allah should give you the strength, courage, conviction, everything to make this department a very, very courageous department, very powerful department, so that other departments should also follow this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request Head of Department to honor the shawl to Dr. Jabbar, COE of the college. Secretary, New College Staff Association. Now I would like to call Secretary.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. மரியாதைக்கும் போற்றுதலுக்குரிய இக்கல்லூரியின் முதல்வர் டாக்டர் எஸ் அப்துல் மாலிக் அவர்களே, மரியாதைக்குரிய தேர்வு கட்டுப்பாட்டு அலுவலர் டாக்டர் ஜப்பார் அவர்களே, மரியாதைக்குரிய இந்த கல்லூரி விடுதியின் துணை காப்பாளர் ஜாய் ஹுசேன் சார் அவர்களே, மரியாதைக்குரிய இக்கல்லூரியின் ஷிஃப்ட் டு ப்ரொஃபஸர் இன்சார்ஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அஃபேர்ஸ் டாக்டர் எம்ஐ அகமது மரக்கியார் அவர்களே, பணியிலிருந்து ஓய்வு பெற்றாலும் புதுக்கல்லூரி உருது துறையில் பணியாற்றி கொண்டிருக்கும் மரியாதைக்குரிய முசஃபர்தீன் அவர்களே, இந்த கார்ப்பரேட் செக்ரட்டரிஷிப் துறையின் தலைவர் போற்றுதலுக்குரிய எல்டர் பிரதர் அக்மல் அவர்களே, பொதுவாக எங்கள் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டுக்கு வந்தாருன்னா சத்ரின்னு வருவார் உள்ளுக்குள்ள வரையிலேயே. அதுக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம்னு எங்களுக்கு தெரியல. ஆனால் அவரும் எங்களுடைய துறை தலைவரும் பேசிக்கிட்டாங்கன்னா சத்ரின்னு ஆரம்பிப்பாங்க. கொடை அதுக்கு என்ன கொடைன்னா என்னன்னே தெரியல. ஏன் சத்ரி கொடை அப்படிங்கிறது தெரியல. பார்த்துக்கலாம். கோட்வேர்டு மாஷா அல்லாஹ் கோட்வேர்டு. இந்த துறையின் பேராசிரியர் பெருமக்கள்னா நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்கல்ல, அழகில் அறிவில் சிறந்தவர் அப்துல் ஹமீத் அவர்களே, திரு டாக்டர் அப்துல் ரஷீத் அவர்களே, உங்களுக்கு உங்களுடைய ஒன்மேன் ஆர்மி தானப்பா? வேற ஏதாவது பேர் இருக்கா? வேற ஏதாவது வச்சிருக்கீங்களா ஒன்மேன் ஆர்மிக்கு மேல? ஒன்மேன் ஆர்மி மட்டும் இல்ல, தி மேன் ஆஃப் பெர்ஃபெக்ஷன் அன்சர் அவர்களே, மற்றும் இந்த துறையில் பயின்ற மாணவ செல்வங்களே, உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் உதற்கண் என் வணக்கத்தையும் நன்றியையும் அஸ்ஸலாத்தையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு, அதாவது எனக்கு அழைப்பு விடுத்த போதே நான் சொன்னேன், என்னை பேச கூப்பிடாதீங்க, அவ்வளோ தூரம் எனக்கு பேசலாம் தெரியாது. அன்சர்ட்ட சொன்னேன், அன்சர் உங்களை மாதிரி நானும் செயலில் உள்ள ஆளு, பேச நமக்கு தெரியாது அப்படின்னு சொன்னா கூட, இருந்தாலும் இந்த கார்ப்பரேட் செக்ரட்டரிஷிப் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டை பற்றி ஒரு சில வார்த்தைகள் நான் சொல்லியே ஆக வேண்டிய கடமையில் இருக்கேன், கட்டாயத்தில் இருக்கிறேன். அதாவது டைமண்ட் ஜூப்ளி செலிப்ரேஷன் நடத்த போகும்போது நமக்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்ட சில அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ், அதாவது மாணவர்களுக்காக ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் கண்டிப்பாக செய்தே ஆக வேண்டும் அப்படின்னு. ஒன் மொமெண்ட். முதல்வர் மற்றும் துணை முதல்வர்களிடமிருந்து ஒரு சின்ன அழைப்பு வந்தபோது, அதாவது டைமண்ட் ஜூப்ளி செலிப்ரேஷன் இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி மாணவர்களுக்காக ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் ஒன்று செய்யணும் அப்படின்னு என்னை கேட்டபோது, நான் முதலில் தேர்ந்தெடுத்தது உங்கள் துறை சேர்ந்த திரு அன்சர் அவர்களை தான். அப்போ அன்சர்ட்டு நான் சொல்லும்போது, அன்சர் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் ஒன்று வந்திருக்கு, எப்படி பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்ன உடனே கார்ப்பரேட் துறையில் இருந்து இருக்கக்கூடிய மாணவர்கள், ஷரீஃப் ஆரம்பம், ஷரீஃபு, ராசிக் மூசா, சுபஹானி, கிரம் ரஷீத், இன்னும் நிறைய பேர், இஸ்மாயில், ஒன்றும் பேர் ஒரு சில பேர் என்ன மறந்துருந்தா கூட, நான் அவங்களோட கோஆர்டினேஷன், தி ஒர்க் ஃபோர்ஸ், அதே மாதிரி ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் ஆஃப் ஒர்க், இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தா ட்ரெமெண்டஸ். ஐ ரியலி அப்ரிசியேட்டட் தி ஒர்க் எக்ஸிக்யூட்டட் பை தோஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். ஏன்னா இதுதான் தருணம். இந்த தருணத்தில் தான் அவங்களுக்கு நான் என்னால் நன்றி சொல்ல முடியும். ஏன்னா அவங்களுக்கு நான் நன்றி பல தருணங்கள் சொல்லியிருந்தா கூட இதுவும் ஒரு தருணம். ஏன்னா இப்போ இந்த ஜூனியர் கார்பியன்ஸ் வேலிஃபெஸ்ட் மூலியமா ஃபேர்வெல் கொடுக்க சீனியருக்கு, இந்த ஜூனியர் கார்பியன்ஸும் இதில் இன்வால்வ் ஆவாங்க. ஏன்னா அடுத்து நிறைய ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் இருக்குது. அந்த ப்ரோக்ராமுக்கு நீங்கள்லாம் வரணும். மாணவர்களுடைய ப்ரோக்ராம் மாணவர்களால் மட்டுமே நடத்தப்பட வேண்டும் என்று நாங்கள் பல தடவை சொல்லிக் கொண்டிருந்த போது, இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் முழுக்க மாணவர்களால் மட்டுமே நடத்தப்பட்டது. என்ன சார், டைமண்ட் ஃபெஸ்ட் தானே, டைமண்ட் ஃபெஸ்ட் முழுக்க மாணவர்களால், நம் கல்லூரி மாணவர்களுக்காக நடத்தப்பட்ட ப்ரோக்ராம். அதில் எந்த விதமான மாற்றங்கட்டு கிடையாது. அந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் வெற்றிகரமாக நடத்துவதற்கு உறுதுணையாக இருந்த கார்ப்பரேட் செக்ரட்டரிஷிப் துறை தலைவர்களுக்கும் துறை ஆசிரியர்களுக்கும் அந்த துறையை சேர்ந்த மாணாக்கர்களுக்கும் இத்தருணத்தில் என்னுடைய நன்றியை பதிவு செய்து கொள்கிறேன். அடுத்து பார்க்க போனா, இப்போ எல்லாரும் அட்வைஸ் அப்படி இப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. சிம்பிள் ரெக்வஸ்ட் உங்கள்கிட்ட என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, நிறைய பேர் பிகாம் முடிச்ச உடனே, பிகாம் சிஎஸ் முடிச்ச உடனே நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு மல்டிநேஷனல் கம்பெனியில் போய் உட்காந்துடலாம் அப்படிங்கிற எண்ணம் மட்டும் உங்கள்கிட்ட வேண்டவே வேண்டாம். கவர்மெண்ட் ஜாப்ஸில் வந்து நிறைய அவென்யூஸ் இருக்குது, நிறைய ஓப்பனிங்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஃப்ரம் தமிழ்நாடு சர்வீசஸ் எடுத்துக்கினா டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1 குரூப் 2 சர்வீசஸ், ஈவன் குரூப் 3 குரூப் 4 சர்வீசஸ் கூட நீங்கள் எழுதலாம். ஆல் இந்தியா லெவலில் எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா யூபிஎஸ்சி, பேங்கிங் சர்வீசஸ். ஏன்னா இந்த யூபிஎஸ்சிங்கிறது வந்து நிறைய பேர் சிவில் சர்வீசஸ் மட்டும்தான் மெயின் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. அதாவது சிவில் சர்வீசஸில் என்ன இருக்குது, ஐஏஎஸ், ஐபிஎஸ், இது ரெண்டு தான் நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியும். இந்த சிவில் சர்வீசஸ் ரிலேட்டடாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஐஏஎஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரையாரிட்டி, செகண்ட் ப்ரையாரிட்டி கொடுக்கப்படுறது ஐஎஃப்எஸ், ஃபாரின் சர்வீசஸ். அது நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியறதில்லை. இந்தியன் ஃபாரின் சர்வீசஸ் நம்ம கல்லூரியிலிருந்து, அதுவும் என்சிசி கேடர், அவங்ககிட்ட ட்ரெயின் எடுத்த மெஹபூப் பாஷா இப்போ அயர்லாந்தில் இருக்காரு, இன்னும் தொடர்புல இருக்காரு. அவர் வேறு துறை, அதாவது வரலாற்று துறையை சேர்ந்திருந்தாலும் என்சிசி கேடராக இருந்தாலும் மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ்க்கு எப்படி சார் உங்களோட அவரோட நல்ல தொடர்புல இருக்கேன், இன்னும் தொடர்புல இருக்கேன். மெஹபூப் பாஷா ஐஎஃப்எஸ் முடிச்சிருக்காரு. ஏன் அது மாதிரி நம் கல்லூரியிலிருந்து மாணவர்கள் வருவதில்லை? ஒரு சிம்பிள் ரீசன் அப்படிதான். இங்கே கேம்பஸ் இன்டர்வியூ வருவாங்க, சார் எனக்கு ஆர்டர் கிடைச்சிருச்சு. என்னையே ஆர்டர் கிடைச்சிருச்சு, எனக்கு பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் கிடைச்சிருச்சு சார். இந்த பிளேஸ்மெண்ட்டை வச்சு நீ என்ன பண்ண போற? உன்னுடைய மூளையை மழுங்கடிக்கிற வேலை செய்ய போறியா 15,000 ரூபாய்க்கு? அல்லது இந்த கம்யூனிட்டிக்கு நீ சர்வீஸ் பண்ண போறியா? இதுதான் முக்கியத்துவம். எது முக்கியத்துவம்? 15,000 ரூபாய் சம்பளம் ஈஸியாக வாங்கிடலாம், எங்கே வேணாலும் ஜாப் நிறைய இருக்கு. ஆனால் யூபிஎஸ்சி, யூனியன் பப்ளிக் சர்வீஸ் கமிஷன், நியர்லி அபவுட் 28 முக்கியமான பதவி பொறுப்புகள், ஐஏஎஸ் மட்டும் இல்ல, ஐபிஎஸ் மட்டும் இல்ல, ஐஎஃப்எஸ் மட்டும் இல்ல, ஃபாரஸ்ட்ரி சர்வீஸ் இருக்கு, எக்கனாமிக் டெவலப்மெண்ட் இருக்கு, கஸ்டம்ஸ் இருக்கு, சென்ட்ரலைசேஷன் இருக்கு, ரயில்வே இருக்கு, நிறைய ஃபினான்ஸ் இருக்கு, நிறைய அதுல இருக்கு. 28 வகையான பதவிகள் இருக்கு. ஆனா நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க? ஐஏஎஸ் மட்டும் நம்மளால முடியுமான்னு கிடையாது, உங்களால முடியும். அதாவது நீங்க ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, சிம்பிளா ஒரு 18 மணி நேரம் உங்களுடைய உழைப்ப 18 மணி நேரம் எந்தவித டீவியேஷன் இல்லாம 18 மணி நேரம் இதுக்கும் மட்டும் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அகில இந்திய அளவில் பெரிய பெரிய பொசிஷன்ல உங்களால வர முடியும். ஆனா நீங்க அதை விட்டுட்டு எம்என்சியில் 15,000 சம்பளம் கிடைச்சா, பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் ஆர்டர் கிடைச்சா நிறைய பேர் போயிடுறீங்க. நான் இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய, அதாவது என்னுடைய மாணவர்களாக இங்கு ஆசிரியர்களாக வந்திருக்கிறார்கள். உதாரணத்துக்கு சொல்ல போனா ரஸ்வி, இவர் என்னோட மாணவர் தான். எம்காம்ல என்னோட மாணவர், ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் அவர் கிளாஸ் எடுத்திருக்கேன். அதே மாதிரி காமர்ஸ் துறையில இருக்கக்கூடிய 8 பேர் இருப்பாங்களா, 8 பேர் இருக்காங்க. பொருளியல் துறை, எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் என்னோட மாணவர்கள் இருக்கிறார். ஜவால் இருக்காரு, என்னுடைய மாணவர் தான். இந்த மாதிரி மாணவர்களை நான் பார்த்து சம்டைம்ஸ் கேட்பேன், ஏப்பா இவ்வளோ பிரில்லியண்ட்டாக இருக்கீங்க, ஏன் ஒரு மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் வேகன்சியில் வந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, செல்ஃப் ஃபைனான்சிங் ஸ்கீமில் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, உங்களுடைய இந்த எஃபர்ட்டை வேறு எதெல்லாம் போட்டீங்கன்னா கவர்மெண்ட் சர்வீசஸில் போகலாமே இப்பவும் கேட்டுக்கிட்டு தான் இருக்கேன். அப்பாஸ் கான் இருக்காரு பிபிஏ, இப்போ கார்பரேட்டில் அப்பாஸ் கான் என்னோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட் தான், எஹியா என்னோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட் தான். இவங்ககிட்ட நான் கேட்குறதுல நான் ஏன் ஐஏஎஸ் ஐபிஎஸ் யூபிஎஸ்சி ட்ரை பண்ணக்கூடாது? யூபிஎஸ்சி ட்ரை பண்ண உங்களால் முடியும். இங்கே கொண்டு வந்து உங்களுடைய நேரத்தை, உங்களுடைய காலத்தை, உங்களுடைய எனர்ஜி, உங்களுடைய எல்லாத்தையும் வீணாக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அதனால நான் உங்களை மாணவர்களாகிய உங்களிடம் கேட்டுக்கொள்வது என்னவென்றால், எம்என்சி கம்பெனியில் வேலை கிடைக்கும், ஏதாவது ஆடிட் ஃபார்மில் வேலை கிடைக்கும், ஏன் ஈவன் பிஸ்னஸ் கூட பண்ணலாம் நீங்கள். பட் இருந்தாலும் கம்யூனிட்டி சர்வீஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் நினைச்சீங்கன்னா, நம்மளுடைய கம்யூனிட்டிக்கு நீங்கள் உதவி செய்யணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா, இல்லை நம்ம கம்யூனிட்டியை அப்லிஃப்ட் பண்ணணும்னு நீங்கள் நினைச்சீங்கன்னா, இல்லை நம்ம கம்யூனிட்டியை நல்ல ஒரு இடத்துக்கு கொண்டு வரணும்னு நீங்கள் நினைச்சீங்கன்னா, உங்களுடைய கனவுகள் யூனியன் பப்ளிக் சர்வீஸ் கமிஷன், உங்களுடைய கனவுகள் தமிழ்நாடு பப்ளிக் சர்வீஸ் கமிஷன், உங்களுடைய கனவுகள் ஸ்டாஃப் செலெக்ஷன் கமிஷனில் மட்டும்தான் இருந்ததுன்னா கண்டிப்பாக உங்களால் ஜெயிக்க முடியும், உங்களால் வெற்றி பெற முடியும், நம்ம சமுதாயத்தை முன்னேற்ற பாதையில் கொண்டு வர முடியும்னு சொல்லிக்கிட்டு இந்த தருணத்தில் எனக்கு பேச வாய்ப்பளித்தமைக்கு நன்றி கூறி, 2ஆம் ஆண்டு கார்ப்பரேட் செக்ரட்டரிஷிப் மாணவர்களுக்கும் 3ஆம் ஆண்டு கார்ப்பரேட் செக்ரட்டரிஷிப் மாணவர்களுக்கும் மற்றும் இத்துறையில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பேராசிரியர் பெருமக்களுக்கும் நன்றி கூறி விடைபெறுகிறேன். அஸ்ஸலாமு அலைக்கும் வரஹ்மத்துல்லாஹி வபரகாத்துஹு.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call respected principal to facilitate the gathering.
Assalamu alaikum. My partner in college administration, Professor Ahmed Markar, my beloved friend Akmal, other professors and beloved students. When you heard a very interesting speech from our Professor Ahmed Markar, I doubt whether I can reach to some extent to what he spoke. Thanks to the students and teachers. Simple question I want to put before you. I have a relationship with you. What is a relationship? No, I am senior, you are junior. Okay. Another contribution from Abdul Malik to corporate, what is that? Abdul Hamid is my student. He was a student, now he becomes my teacher. Dear friends, I'm very happy. I express from my heart that I closely observed students when I used to go around. Of course, this year I could not go around to the extent I was going around last year. But in many occasions, when I entered the corporate classroom, it's a room where the corporate are there, I used to see high percentage of attendance. Exaggeration has no meaning here, because what I observed, I am narrating. And this kind of program, as was narrated by my beloved friend Ahmed Markar, shows the affinity between one side juniors and seniors, another side students and teachers. Because unity, attachment is very much needed between all sections. Here is a model, an example for the unity between different sections, teachers and students. Every one of you, Ikram and other Musa, they were describing how close they observed their teachers with them. I pray that all the department students and teachers, they have this kind of affinity. The he was mentioning, somebody was mentioning the, what is the fixing for plastic, what is the material he was mentioning? Huh? Only one. Fevicol. We become jealous of the aperitif. Who mentioned? You? Who? Okay. He is close to us. Now, my dear brothers, our brother, very nice. Aliyar. Very nice. Kamal Nasser Sahab was giving you advice to lay foundation for your future. And I wish every one of you start thinking what you want to become. In my school days, I remember we were asked to write essays, school days. Of course, we were village students. We could hardly say some words in English. At that time, our teachers used to give topics for essays. One is future career. Future, what do you want to become? Even though we were not trained in writing English, we are motivated towards having some picture for our future. I wish every one of you have as a picture for his future. Another thing, nowadays, utilizing the modern IT, information technology, you will be always within the, Marika was mentioning, what is that? தொடர்பு எல்லைக்குள். You will be always within தொடர்பு எல்லை. Because, you see here, a knife should never be used for killing. Should be used for cutting fruits and give it to the friends. And the IT technology should be used for making your friends being acquainted with the job opportunities. So of course, you may own a business, you may go abroad, wherever you go, if you have a chance, see that some of your Corpians, New College students get appointment through your position. And before concluding, I don't want to extend my speech, I want to mention here two phrases. Everyone, at least one. This is a principle I heard from Jamal Muhammad College. They have alumni association. Previously, they used to have this voice. One to be cared by another one alumnus. Then they have changed each one at least one. What is this? Now, you may be aware, many of your friends, they may not have money to pay the exam fees, to pay the college fees, to have their lunch. And what is our responsibility when God has given us wealth? When we mingle with our friends, we can identify the depth of his poverty of our friends, help them. You see, I want to quote a hadith. If you fulfill a small need of a person, God sends 73 mercies upon you. If you fulfill one need of a person, needy person, God sends upon you how many mercies? 73. With one of the 73, your dunya and akhirat will become perfect. From the remaining 72, your status in the akhirat will be elevated. Therefore, there I want to quote a couplet of Iqbal, which will be corrected by our Professor Muzaffar. Not corrected, translated in Urdu, I don't know proper Urdu. If Allah wishes that He be praised, there are angels, crores of angels, but Allah has created the mankind to have mutual affinity and favor. Musa kya Urdu mein? Can okay. Sir doesn't want to boost. He wants to be humble and sincere. Therefore, my request is, you see that you help others. Inshallah, I pray Allah give you a good future, good position in the society, and a source of high income. And with this, you help your future new college students. You may go abroad now, you may start a business, then what you want to do, what I want you to do, you get in touch with the New College Old Student Association or your HOD or your other SASR, Hamisar, other teachers. Through them, you realize, come to know who are the deserving students. Help them. Inshallah, with this, if every old student, alumnus, takes care of the students, thousands of our youngsters will be benefited. I appeal to all my Corpians to have an intention to help the student community in completing their studies and also in fetching them good job. I congratulate all the first year, second year students for arranging this very wonderful function and the teachers for guiding the students to conduct this kind of programs. Lastly, when our Professor Marakar was mentioning this kind of digest, it is very difficult to digest for the people that Corpians have edited this book. Wonder, continue, second year, first year students, you try to maintain or develop the friendly approach to the newcomers. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we will felicitate all the third year Corpians with mementos, and I will request respected principal to give away the mementos. I'll call the names out. Al-Fatah A.M., Jafar Ali, Jiaul Haq, Lokesh, Mazuruddin, Jafar Ali, Jiaul Haq, Lokesh, Matin, Mazuruddin, Muhammad Saifur Rahman, Muhammad Imtiaz, Muhammad Sameem, Muhammad Yasin, Muhammad Nawaz, Muhammad Muhyiddin Arif, Moin, Saddam Ali, Saddam Hussain, Sheikh Abdullah, Sheikh Farid, Shujat Hussain, Sultan Vivek Anandam, Yogesh, Adil Basha, Amir Hussain, Abdul Rashid, Azizur Rahman, Javed Ali Khan, Muhammad Sajid, Mohbub Subani, Muhammad Zaid Rashid, Abid Hussain. Thank you, sir. Now I request Kamar Hussain to give away the mementos. Muhammad Azruddin, Muhammad Hanifa, Muhammad Ismail, Muhammad Mohiddin, Muhammad Ismail, Muhammad Sharif, Muhammad Sibgatullah, Muhammad Wasim. Now I would request Professor Sabur sir to give away the mementos. Sabur sir. Rasik Musa. Sayyid Abdul Rob. Sayyid Muhammad Arif. Sayyid Saiful. Sayyid Saifullah Affan. Ahmad Abbas. Now I would request Professor Haider to give away the mementos. Khalilur Rahman. Nauful Ahmad. Muhammad Akif. Aftab Alam. Deepak Kumar. Deepak Kumar Idris. Now I would request Sayyid Ahmad sir to give away the mementos. Yes, sir. Idris. Lokesh. Muhammad Shakil Ahmad. Mustafa. Sadaduddin. Saduddin. Saduddin. Yes, sir. Now I would request Rashid sir to give away the mementos. Shabir Muhammad. Muhammad Ayyub. Muhammad Ikramur Rashid. Naif Muhammad Idris. Muhammad Abdul Razik. Happy birthday Muhammad Abdul Razik. Sorry. Abde Ali M. Haryana Wala. Muhammad Umar. Thank you, sir. Now I will call Abid Basha to give away the mementos. Muhammad Umar. Miran Farid. Muhammad Adnanullah Khan. Thank you, sir. Faradun Yusuf. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Corporal Raza from the third year for the vote of thanks.
Listen here. First of all, thanks to the Almighty Allah for making this event grand success. I also use this opportunity to thank the Principal Dr. S. Abdul Malik sir for permitting this function. And I also thank the professors who honored our invitations, Ahmad Marika sir, Deputy Warden Zahid Hussain sir, Kamal Nasser sir, Haider sir, Sabur sir, Controller of Examination, Jabbar sir, Shahul sir, Muzaffar sir, Rafiq sir, and all the faculties of our department Shift 2. And I also thank Abrar, Department Secretary Shift 2. I use this opportunity to thank our HOD who have been motivating us for conducting this type of events. I also thank all the faculties of our own department for encouraging us. And at last, but not the least, a heartily thanks to all our seniors for guiding us and motivating us. I also wish them a great future ahead, and I make sure that we will continue your legacy. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I will wish all my third year Corpians a very wishing do well in the future. Nice meeting you, and I'm so glad. I'm actually speechless. I'm so happy to see you here, and this is our last meeting, and this would be my best experience having done this in front of you, in front of the all teachers, thank you so much. Thank you. A very good afternoon to everybody.
Carpians, please stay back.